Want to give your family or friends access to your Lorex camera? In this video, we'll show you how to use the Shared Users feature on the Lorex app. Let's get started. First, open your Lorex app and choose the device you want to share. Tap the Device Settings icon in the top corner of the home screen to access your account settings. Now, tap on Shared Users. This is where you manage who has access to your camera footage and settings. To add someone new, tap Add Shared User. For this, the user needs to have a Lorex account or register for one. Enter the person's email address, choose what permissions they should have, like viewing footage or editing camera settings, and then tap Confirm. The person you invited will receive an email from Lorex. They'll need to accept the invite and log in using a Lorex account. If they don't already have a Lorex account, they'll be prompted to create one during the invite process. Need to remove someone's access? Go back to the Shared Users screen by tapping the Device Settings icon in the home screen, then tap Shared Users. Tap on the user you want to remove, then select Remove Shared User. Confirm by tapping it again. And that's it! Now you and your trusted user can share your Lorex device. Thanks for watching. If you need any further assistance, visit lorex.com/support.